Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Pinterest app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the settings icon at the top right. Then select Settings. Press on Edit Profile. And you'll be able to change all of the profile information. Now to change your name, just tap on first name or surname and then delete or change your current one to whatever name. Once you have changed your name, just tap Done at the top right corner of your screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.